Grace? Haha! Here you are. How are you today, Grace?
Good.
Oh, I like your hair extension.
Oh, thank you.
It's so colorful.
It's fake.
I know. Nobody's hair is pink. Yeah. Hello.
And my hair is shorter than this. This one's longer.
Oh, nice. Do you like it?
Yeah. My dad bought it for me.
Ah, lucky you. I don't have it.
Do you know how I got it up here?
I don't know.
There's a ladder.
Where is it? Show me.
It's right behind me.
Show me.
See? It's right here.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. That's how I got it.
Hello.
First we slide down.
Of course, honey.
Whee! So today we're coming and we don't even know when or how. But this is my new Santa.
Oh, what happened to the chair?
Oh.
The wind blow it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look. Santa town.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
No, I'm just throwing it on.
No.
10 Santa.
Don't waste the sand. The sand should stay in the sandbox, honey.
Santa town. Don't. It's fake Santa.
Okay, got it.
Hey, wait.
Huh?
Guess. Wait. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Guess which hand has sand. Open your eyes.
Left?
What's left? Yeah.
This is right.
So you're wrong.
I'm right.
Why did you do this? Why did you do this hand?
This is my left hand.
Your right hand.
Yeah, this is your right hand, my left hand.
Wait, I'll give you one more clue. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Now, which hand has sand?
Left again. Uh-oh, I'm wrong again. Oh, okay.
That's our last guess. Well, do you like my video?
I do.
I have much stars.
I like the rock thing. I like the climbing rock. There.
So wait, can I show you something?
Sure?
Look at my hula hoop.
Okay.
I have a hula hoop. Can I
Nice.
show you? This is what my sister told me. Her name is
Okay.
Mimi.
Yeah, Mimi told you. Oh, wow! Amazing! I miss Mimi. Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should invite her to my house for some
A party! Yeah.
for a little party.
Yeah. I do hope so. Yeah, I miss them.
Look.
I miss Uncle Joe.
Wait, can I show you something stupid
Uh-huh.
cool?
Uh-huh. Ooh, nice.
Did you just see me? Whoa! Did you just see me spin while walking?
Uh-huh.
Look, do you see again?
Uh-huh. Okay, good.
So this is my peach tree, everyone.
Oh.
It's a peach.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, the flower is fading.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they are beautiful. Oh, they are beautiful. Nice. Yeah.
Well, this is the end. Well, subscribe to my channel and click on the video, Ninja Kids, and then you will